Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record depreciation in Zoho Books. So first, you may want to head over to Zoho Books and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on Accountant, then click on Manual Journals. And from here, start creating a new journal by clicking on the New button. Start by filling out other details in this journal, such as date, journal number, and notes, since these are required fields. Next is choose reporting method, currency, and in this section is where we're going to add and record depreciation. Start by selecting an account. So in here, in the first account, we're going to choose depreciation expense. So click on it. You can also add description, select contact and transaction type and tax if applicable. Then in the debit section, we're just going to enter the amount. Say for example, it's 1,000. Next is choose another account, which will serve as your accumulated depreciation. Then next is enter the same amount, but this time on the credit section. Then once done, head over and click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!